Hello everyone, welcome to my cooking channel. Today I'll be cooking a French recipe created by a French chef for his anticipation in a UK cooking show. So why is this special? Because he used two types of salmon, raw salmon and smoked. Only one shallot, spinach, dill, parsley, rosemary, lemon, egg and capers. All right? So we'll start with creating stuffing. Let's go. Okay, let's try. Our stuffing is ready. It goes to the fridge for 20 minutes and we start to work on the salmon. Our next step to prepare raw salmon. We need to cut inside the fillet only 3/4 and leave attached the outer side. So I'll start cutting inside, creating a pocket for stuffing. Slightly salt our fillet. A little salt on each side because stuffing itself is already salty and has delicious flavor. All right. So now we set the salmon on the side and start to prepare our table for wrapping the pie. So we created a rectangle as a base for our stuffing. So from smoked salmon. On the top of the smoked salmon, we're gonna put our fresh 1 and 2. So the opening here and the opening here inside. So I'm gonna pull my stuffing from the fridge and start to create the pie. Let's go. While my stuffing is still cooling down in the fridge, we'll prepare the dough. Okay, we'll need flour, water and egg. It's gonna be a crust pie dough. Let's go. French, it's called Salmon et Croûte. I hope my accent not too crazy for French people. All right, salmon pie putting together. All right, our dough is ready. Nice and dense, not so soft, not so hard. That's what I like. So this is a crust pie dough. It's not supposed to be too soft. All right. And now it's time to put together our pie. Okay, we're gonna roll our dough to create the space for the pie. About 2-3 millimeters thick, okay? So this is a nice rectangle. And we're gonna put the salmon and the dough inside. So nice and beautiful. I like the consistency. It's gonna be a beautiful pie. Okay, our dough is ready. Our salmon is inside. We have a smoked outside and raw on the top of it. And now we put the filling inside, okay? We created areas here. We put this beautiful filling like that, like that, like that, and more. I'll put all of it because it looks so delicious. All right, now we close the salmon first, and here, and here. So little holes, that's fine. That's not gonna change everything. And now we'll start to cover the dough on both sides. One side. Okay. Our salmon et croûte pie is ready. Now we just have to do the egg wash and put it in the oven for 40 minutes. Vigorously just cover it up. Beauty goes inside the oven for 45 minutes, 400 Fahrenheit. Voila! So 45 minutes is passed. Let's see how the beautiful pie looks like. Look at this gorgeous golden brown color. So, are you willing to try? Let's cut. Oh my God. Looks inside. Look at this. Look at this, how gorgeous it is. So the raw salmon all cooked. Outside is the smoked salmon and our beautiful, beautiful filling inside, just like that. Looks gorgeous. This combination of the flavor, just best of the best.